A gun is mounted on a railroad car. So let this be the car on which a gun has been mounted like this. Okay. The mass of the car, the gun and the shells and the operator is 50 m, where m is the mass of one shell. If the muzzle velocity of the shells is 200 meter per second, what is the recoil speed of the car after the second shot? So we know that since no external force is there, so the velocity of center of mass needs to be 0. So when the first shot is fired, I can frame the equation as mass of this one shell into its velocity, which is 200 towards right, plus mass of the remaining gun, that is 49 m, into its velocity v is going to be 0 because m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is 0. This gives me the velocity to be minus 200 by 49. This means that the gun that has been mounted moves with this much speed to the left. Okay. Now, I can say that after the first shot, the speed of car with respect to, let me take this as the platform. This platform is basically what? Where the gun has been mounted. So I can write it as that the speed of the car with respect to platform is 22 by 49. I'm not including the negative sign here because this I'm talking about the speed. Now, let me find out after the second shot. Let me talk about the velocity first. So velocity of car with respect to platform is going to come the same because we will be again framing the same equation, m by into 200 plus 48 m into v equal to 0. Listen, I am talking about this platform. This has nothing to do with what velocity this car is actually moving. This gives me the velocity of 200 by 48 in negative direction. This means that with respect to platform, this car is moving to the left with velocity minus 200 by 48, but that is already moving with a velocity of 200 by 49 to the left. Right? Now, velocity of car with respect to platform is minus 200 by 48. That is, velocity of car minus velocity of platform is minus 200 by 48. If we take up to here, then the velocity of car is equals to minus 200 by 48 plus velocity of platform. Now friends, if the speed of car with respect to platform is 200 by 49 to the left, that means along with this car, initially it was at rest. This was fired, this car started moving to the left. So obviously this platform will be moving to the left with this much speed. Now, apart from this, whole of the system is moving to the left with this. So velocity of platform is 200 by 49 in the left direction. So I can write it as minus 200 by 48 and velocity of platform to be minus 200 by 49. So velocity of car comes out to be minus times 200 by 48 plus 200 by 49. So this is actually the velocity of the car. After the second shot, this car moves to the left with this much of velocity. But in the question, we need to find only the recoil speed. So only the magnitude will be required, and hence the speed is only 200 by 48 plus 200 by 49. Though it is moving to the left, we need not to put the negative sign because we need to find only the speed of the car.